Hey guys, just sitting here in my garage with my Lamborghini here, R8 here. But you know what's more important than a Lamborghini, R8? Turbos. How's it going, guys? Welcome to the new and improved Eurofed YouTube channel. We've decided that we need to give you guys a way more in-depth look. So me and the gentleman behind the camera, Jeff.
What's up?
We're gonna do just that. We're gonna give you a fully in-depth look at all of our locations, some of our own builds. We're gonna have debates. We're gonna see, you know, should we LS the world? Should we B58 the world? What's the better option? Things like that. But for now, today, what we're doing is we're here at Eurofed Alpharetta. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of our newest facility and let us know what you think. Music in the background, please, because like, you know. And like, you know, that MTV Cribs like zooming, you know? What's up, Andre?
Hey, hello.
Hello, guys. This is Andre. He's our service supervisor.
Hey, everybody. Hey, thanks. Welcome.
You want to say hi to anybody? Say hi to your mom.
Hey, Mom. Hey, Dad.
But so pretty much he's the face of the building for you guys here. So if you ever need any kind of service, he's the one that you'll be talking to. He'll be there from the beginning to the end. Whatever you need, he's the one to talk to. But mainly what I want to show you guys is this lobby. Probably one of my most favorites in the company, just because it's so nicely laid out, so clean, very professional looking. But on top of that, my favorite thing is all the die-cast models. I don't know why, it just adds a very nice touch to it all, and you can literally spend an hour just looking at all the little die-casts, all the little intricate ones, because they're pretty special, pretty one-off ones. Like right here, you have a little McLaren, little E36 M3 lightweight, CLK GTRs, crown shoes, like little die-cast cars you don't see. Typically you see everyone, you know, little hot rods and Bel Airs. But no, we have pretty dope ones. But the reason we're really here for is not just to show you off the lobby, even though it's amazing. The fun is after the store, that's in the shop. So let's go see what's going on in the shop today. Got some special stuff for you guys. Like Randy.
Hello.
He's our lead tech here at Eurofed Alpharetta. Then, starting off, I know you guys seen us post a bit about it, but we're here in the middle of our V10 Twin Turbo program. Actually, it's looking a little bit like an assembly line these days. So we have our Suzuka gray car that's pretty much 80% of the way there to completion. Just a few more things we got to button up, such as the fuel pump. We got to get that squared away and installed. It's actually way more involved process than, you know, you would have on any standard Volkswagen, because the fuel pump is in there. All right, but what you really want to see is those two big, girthy, beautiful, wonderful, twisty, blowy turbos. So this is probably one of our most exciting projects we've been a part of, just because it's 1,000 horsepower in an R8. It's hysterical. So we're excited to not only be building one, but if you look right next to me, there's number 2 already ready to go. So very soon Atlanta's gonna be having 2 more Twin Turbo V10 powered R8s. So definitely we're gonna keep you guys updated on these builds. And once we get this white one done, begins all the testing tuning, which is my favorite part of the job, because, you know, gotta make sure things like this work, and it doesn't hurt that make sure they work is all the fun in the world. So yeah, I'm too distracted by the turbos. So on top of all of our performance work, we also do a healthy dose of maintenance work. So what you actually see is we have 3 cars in here now that are all in just for either repairs or service. Starting off with this very fun Audi SQ5. Honestly, this is actually a personal favorite car of mine, just because it's an SUV with a supercharged V6 and all-wheel drive. Just ultimate sleeper. There actually is a sleeper spec Q5 which has the supercharged V6, all-wheel drive, but it's just badged as a Q5 and has the Q5 body. So that's something that, you know, it's cool that Audi made a sleeper spec car, but this one is the beautiful SQ5. You see that wonderful. I love these engines so much just because they make a lot of power really easily. Literally just like pulleys in a tune and you're beating RS models. So we're getting some coolant leaks taken care of on this thing, get it fully diagnosed. And then once diagnosed, we inform the customer and it's all good to go. Right, back on to performance though. We have our Nardo Gray RS3. It's actually owned by one of our owners, Darko, his own personal project. This is a fun little car. 2.5 liter 5-cylinder turbo, all-wheel drive, and we've pretty much touched most of the drivetrain by now. So it has fully built internals, bigger turbo, which we're also planning on going even bigger now. This thing is an absolute riot. So to make sure it can handle all that power, we are going to be upgrading the clutches within the DSG transmission.
Wait a minute, we're going bigger turbo?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
What? Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
That's right. So it's already pretty good size, but there's clearly a little bit of room for growth. So we're gonna take care of it.
There's always room for growth.
Always. So, and turbos, the bigger the better. So hopefully we can reach maybe the 4-digit numbers in this little gray sedan. So very excited. We actually are thinking about racing this against everything in our fleet, just because we really want to demonstrate just how capable and fast these cars are. So
Hank, watch out.
well, Hank's the one helping us with supplying some parts for it. So we're actually very thankful for R8's for helping us out in this build. And
Thank you, but watch out.
And then, yeah, all that's left here, we have, you know, obviously Porsche Cayenne in for actually an active sway bar replacement. Little do you know, in Porsches they decided to complicate sway bars, so to make them ride and handle as great as possible, they actually have active sway bars. And then last but not least, we have this beautiful S4 that we have in for a new mechatronics unit. Customer had a little issues getting in, out, around gear. So luckily our technician Randy was able to diagnose it to find it be the mechatronics unit. So, all right, but thank you guys so much for watching. Obviously this is a learning process for all of us here at Eurofed as we build this channel. So please, down below in the comments, leave any suggestions, what you want to see, what you want to see us film more of. Any and all tips are welcome because we want to build this channel for you guys and let you see as much of Eurofed as possible. So
Smash that like button.
also make sure you smash the also make sure you smash that like button, like and subscribe, just so you can get an inside look at everything Eurofed. But yeah, hope you guys have a great day and stay tuned. So
I'll edit that with like some decent music or something. Rolling shit. Oh, we're still recording. Wow, what's happening? I just want to say hey to probably nobody. We'll say hey to these guys.
Hey. Okay. Dude.
wait a minute. That was the most corporate nod I've ever seen in my life.